Welcome to part 2 of the React Hooks YouTube Players series. So we will start from where we left in part 1. So this is our app.js. Wait, I forgot to add one thing. This async, there should be an await, because async is always with await. It will wait, and wrap is loading as usual. Now we will add the search functionality to this app. So we'll go to search bar. See, this is our old search bar. This is a class based component search bar. Now we will change it to a functional component and then add hooks to it. So let us change it. Const we are soon going to have props to it, so let me have it. So there is no constructor. We'll have this, but there is no constructor and no bind and all these things. Then there is no render, so I'm removing this render. Then yeah, so after that let me have a state variable in the form of use state, the term which we just removed. Let me have it here. Term set term equal to use state. It is selecting something. I don't want this. State, use state, an empty string, but we have to import it also from React. So I have done that. After that, in the return statement, there is no this is state.term, this is term, because this is how we use in a functional component. And let me change it to an arrow function equal to event, and this, and instead of set state we will have this set term. As I've earlier also told, see this statement is exactly equal to this dot state dot term is equal to this. Both of these are equal, so can remove it, and everything else is okay. Yeah, so we save it, and I have to import it from app.js. So let me do that. Import search bar from dot components search bar. I want it above the video list, so search bar and we will be passing this props here on search term. So this is a callback which will come back to the app.js on search term equal to, close it, whatever we are receiving from there, which is actually the event.target.value which we are receiving from there. Let me call it term only. then the term which I'm receiving from there, it will send it to fetch resource and then the term. So it will go here and do the API call and then send it to send videos, so that it will go here because the state is getting changed. So this all will be rendered again and it will go to this video list with a new set of videos. Let me see whether it is working. On input change is not defined. This is because of JavaScript. This is scoping. So this should be, let me remove this. Oh yeah, I got it. This dot on input change, and this one also should be this dot on input change. Yeah, it is working fine now. So this is our initial result which comes from the React.js. Now Node.js. This dot props is not defined. Again, I'm getting some error, and I know why I'm getting some error, because in the class-based component this dot props is there, but in the functional component it is known as only props. Let me save it again, and now again Node.js, and it is working fine. So our search is working fine. So let's move ahead, and we will implement the video detail and video list. We have to implement the clicking of the video list, so that once you click it, it will change it in the video detail. So let me do, I don't have a video detail, so let me import it first. Import video detail from dot components video detail. It will be here. Video detail, but for that we will have a new state which will be known as the selected video state const. Let me give it as selected video and set. This is the way in which we do the adding the set thing. This is not a hard-coded thing that we have to do it like that, but this is the way we do it, using the word set, because set state coming from a class-based component, we have set state. So it is like that: set selected video and use state, and initially I want it to be null. This selected video should be null. Then we will go to this fetch resource, and this selected video will be equal to data 0. As we might know, this is actually an array of object, so data of 0 will be the first object. So we will always show the first video whatever we search, or the initial search from the React tutorials. So then I'll be opening the video equal to I did one mistake. It is not selected videos, it is set selected videos, and then this selected videos will go there. One more thing, let me show you the video detail component, because we are not going to change anything in it. This is from the earlier part only. See, we are just having the loading. This is a totally functional component, so we don't have to touch it. We will get the props, the video, and the initially we React renders quickly, so we are using this to show the loading, and then we are using the embed, then the iframe to show the embed in the URL, and then this title and the snippet. So let me save it, and we will have a video player. See, the loading came for a second, and we have the video player, and it is working, but this is not working. See, it is giving error because the code was already there in your video list item. So let me go there, and this video list item, let me also open this. See, this is also from the older code. We don't have to touch anything here, but it is just a pass-through component. After that, it goes to the video list item. This is where there is on click handler is there, in which the on user selected is there. It is a callback. On user selected, whatever video we select, it comes from here to here. Props on user selected props. This is two level of callback. So on user selected, it is there, and now on user selected is props dot on video select. So means this props were passing from the app. So let me copy this, and in the video list on video select equal to, we are getting something, let me call it selected, and it will trigger the set selected video with the selected. So this is what happens. The set selected videos, it will again re-render everything with the selected video. I means it will re-render the video detail also, and it will go this selected video there, and it will show that video. So let me save it, and if everything is okay, our project will be completed. See, it is coming like this. Let me click here, and it is working fine. Let me do further check, Node.js, then I click here, it is coming there. So it means our project is working completely fine. So this completes our React YouTube player with hooks. Hope you like this part. See you soon.